You ever notice say old feelings not always dead? Sometimes them just dep and pause. Auntie always say, old fire stick easy for catch. And that simply mean some old connection easy for light back up. You and somebody used to have history, used to laugh, used to talk, used to know each other little ways. So even after time pass, one message, one look, one how you doing, and suddenly the whole memory start warm up again. But listen, Auntie Good, just because old fire easy for catch, no mean you figure light it. Some fire warm you, and some fire burn down the whole house. So before you run back to old love, ask yourself, is this healing or is this habit? Big up yourself.